Don't nervous, okay? Okay.
Hello.
Hello, Zenith.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, so Zenith,
Okay.
can your mother wink?
Yes, she can.
Okay, so what does she want?
She wants an omelette.
Okay, so does he want a pancake?
No, he doesn't.
You want what?
Cereal. No, he wants. Sorry.
Okay. Does he want a pancake?
No, he does.
No, he what?
Cereal.
Yes, cereal. So, how to answer me?
Anlamadım.
Okay. Does he want a pancake?
No. Doğrusunu mu söyleyeceğim?
One more time, give me answer.
No.
Does he want a pancake?
No, he wants. No, he doesn't want a pancake. Evet.
So what does he like?
He likes grapes.
Okay. Doesn't he like hamburgers?
Bu çarpı ya, olumsuz değil mi bu hamburger?
Yes, like that. Does she like hamburgers?
No, she... Yo, pardon.
What is it?
Pardon. Hiç buna tik koymadın mı?
No, this is good.
Evet.
Does she like hamburgers?
No, she doesn't.
Okay, good. So can you read it?
Cube, flute, rock, pin, pine.
So can you read it?
I'm Jack, and this is my brother Harry. We are scouts. We learn new things in the scouts. Then we get badges. The badges are on our shirts. These are Harry's badges. He can sail, he can ski, he can climb. And these are my badges. I can't skate or sail, but look what I can do. I can swim, I can cook, I can catch a fish. I don't have these badges. I can't fly, and I can't ride a horse.
Very good. Okay, bye-bye.
Goodbye.